Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Tuesday, the 29th of June 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 closed down just 6 points today to 7,301 points. It could have been worse, but for a rebound in late afternoon trading. There wasn't a lot going on among the large caps. Toll Road Group Transurban finished down 1.7%, while Woodside Petroleum was off a little over 1%. Sonic Healthcare was the best performing large cap, up 1.6%. The banks were generally higher, while the miners were generally lower. The best performer on the market was Metcash, 24 hours after the group announced strong sales and revenue. Sometimes it takes investors time to sort through financial statements and decide if they want to buy or sell. Newey Limited was the next best, up 4.6%. The worst performing stock on the top 200 was Collins Food, which fell 5.7%. The owner of KFC in Australia reported higher revenue and profit for the 2021 financial year, which ended on May 2. Basically, same-store sales surged and total revenue passed $1 billion in KFC for the first time. The group will pay a higher dividend. Investors are a fickle bunch, and they like to look forward. So, comments that sales since the end of the financial year have been muted, particularly in its Taco Bell stores, sent Collins Foods' share price lower. Next worst was Unibail Rodamco Westfield, which finished more than 5% lower. Several of the property companies went ex-dividend today. That's the cut-off point for shareholders receiving payouts. So if you buy a share in one of the property companies tomorrow, you don't get the dividend that will be paid out in coming weeks. APN, GDI and Vicinity, among others, all went ex-div today. Santos will start engineering and design work on its $2.6 billion Dorado oil project north of Port Hedland, with a final decision on the controversial expansion expected in the middle of next year. Its share price fell 0.6% today. Retailer Kathmandu said total sales would fall below expectations as a result of COVID-19 lockdowns in Australia. Dozens of its stores across the country are now closed due to the lockdowns, and its share price fell more than 4% today. And there's another merger in the listed investment trust market, with Wilson Asset Management merging with Templeton Global Growth to create a $600 million fund which will invest overseas. The Aussie dollar is trading at 75.6 US cents, that's down just a bit. And recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 ended the session up 0.2%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down 0.4%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq finished up nearly 1%. That's it for the afternoon market report for Tuesday, the 29th of June 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the Wednesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.